She calls aloud at the city gates. Her voice resounds through ancient ways. She was there when the earth was formed, a guiding light before the morn. Come, you simple, learn my ways. Walk with me and find your days. She stretches her hands to all who yearn. Her lamp of truth will brightly burn. She walks with wisdom, clothed in grace. Her beauty shines, no time can erase. A tree of life to those who hold. Her riches far beyond silver or gold. Her paths are peace, her steps are right. She dwells with prudence, shining bright. By her kings reign and rulers decree. Her hand is the key to eternity. Come, my children, hear my call. Choose my ways and never fall. Her words alive, her truth divine. A world reborn of her design. She walks with wisdom, clothed in grace. Her beauty shines, no time can erase. A tree of life to those who hold. Her riches far beyond silver or gold. Blessed are they who find my light, who keep my ways both day and night. For I was there at the world's first breath, and through me you'll conquer death. She walks with wisdom, clothed in grace. Her beauty shines, no time can erase. A tree of life to those who hold. Her riches far beyond silver or gold. She calls aloud, her voice is clear. Come find me now, for I am near. Her ways are just, her truth profound. In her embrace, life is found.